I am Laura. Hello, Colorize. My name is Laura Martinez. I am 20 years old. I am usually a very happy and understanding person. I like to talk to people. I know also I like to advise them. I love to cook, but I don't like to wash the dishes at all. I always make those thought I cook and the other person washes the dishes. I don't like to exercise either, but I try to get used to it. I am from Colombia and living in Bogota with my mom, my grandmother, and my brother. My favorite book is Trojan Horse, and always I haven't not finished reading it. I liked it a lot. I really like to celebrate the New Year because I get together with my partner to make the New Year meal, which includes fritter, custard, ajiaco, among other delicious things that we usually cook together. Although I am usually the one who does more things because he does not come well to cook but try to help me after making the New Year meal. We changed because we will buy count to receive the New Year. Then we get ready and have a family conversation until meaning, and we show Happy New Year. Normally I make the bed, but now that my mom has been a light sleep, I usually wash the dishes, often spinning the house as well as mopping because we like to see everything very clean. Although I don't like much wash the bathrooms, also do it because I think it is the cleanest place. Should be not if it is a trade, but I consider it, so I usually take my dogs to the park to do their nets, and also sometimes to clothes. I always get up at 7 in the morning. I am reading the Trojan Horse book and it is very interesting. I usually watch a program called the Dr. Paul from a vegetarian. I see daily kilos on Saturday after 9 p.m. with my mom. I like to watch the movies and my favorite movies is Coco. I recently finished watching a series of Netflix called Desiree. I like it very much because it is about investigation, homicide, and other things. Now I am watching a series of vampires, but it is not romantic because I am not very chased. I always watch videos on YouTube. I like very much the horror videos and also the documentaries. Almost every day I listen to music news on genres with a variety of genres. At 7 o'clock at 9, I usually have dinner with my family. In Bogota, the most common climate is cold winter. In the mornings. It is sometimes so we will be at home all day. I wear very comfort clothes like sweater, pants, and I put on my boyfriend shirt or boots that fit me big, but if I am going out, I wear jeans with some blouse, but I can never go on without a jacket because it makes me very cold. I don't know. Usually wear shirts because of the same cold. Always also because of the insecurity. I love the horse. They are beautiful, but for comfort I stayed in tennis. Come back, son.